Hey guys, this tutorial will show you how you can sync your Mailchimp using Wemail for your WordPress email marketing. On your Wemail dashboard, go to Lists and click on a list you created. Now click on Settings under Options, then proceed to click on Configure. You need an API key to connect. So head over to your Mailchimp account and click on your profile image that appears in the left corner. Now click on Profile and click on API Keys under the Extras drop-down list. Scroll to the bottom and click on Create a Key. Click on Create a Key and copy the API key and then paste it in your Wemail account before clicking on Next. Click on List and hit the Next button. Then set the fields for email address, name, and so on. Click on the Activate Sync button to make the connection successful. Lastly, hit the Save button to make the changes effective. And that is how you can sync your Mailchimp using Wemail for your WordPress email marketing.